The palm trees around our house look kind of scraggly. It's been a little while since I trimmed them. So, I thought I would get to it. I had to find the loppers. Couldn't find out where they were, but I figured it out. They were in the backyard, hiding in the backyard. So I didn't have too much of a difficult time finding those. It works a lot on your balance. You're trying to maintain your balance, but at the same time, clamping down on the loppers in order to cut the palm limbs. So you have to use a little bit of your ab muscles to try and stay, stay somewhat in the same seated position whenever you're trying to move your arms, trying to cut the cut the cut the palm tree stems. So it's all just balancing, you know. The palm trees are getting yellow and they're getting brown on the edges. So I mean that's one sign of being burned, of the palm limbs being burned, but it's also that they're dying, So they're pretty low. If you look over there on the right, then you can see the palm trees. There's a lot of them, a lot of the palms that are drooping down. Um, some of the palm palm fronds were totally brown, or totally dead, like that one right there. I cut that one up, no problem. But what I want to do is, after I get all these palm fronds clipped, um, I and last time I gave the palms a pretty bad haircut. I guess my wife said that they look pretty silly. The palm trees look pretty bad out front, so I didn't get too crazy on clipping these palm trees this time. I tried not to, and like I said, I was just more concerned with the ones that have the yellow tips, or the ones that are brown or burnt on the edges. Those ones definitely need to go. Um, I would like to have, like 3 palm fronds sticking out from the top, but that's just a little bit too much. So anyway, I'm just cutting the the basic palm fronds. Some of the palm fronds were poking me in the face, and so those ones I got to cut. And so I did cut those actually. I thought maybe I could move the loppers around so that I wouldn't have to cut those ones that were put the palms that were poking me in the face, but I couldn't do that. I had to cut the ones that were poking me in the face too. But my wife said that it was okay. They looked all right, so she didn't want me to cut any more than what I had already done. And she also helped me put the palm fronds in the trash can. All the palm fronds that I cut were too much. They filled up, just some of them, like 3/4 of them filled up the